Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrin and it's New Music Friday. Reggae royalty Damian Marley releases his first solo single after a 7-year hiatus. The track is a cover of George Harrison's 1970 hit, My Sweet Lord.
I really wanna see you, Lord, but it takes so long, my Lord.
It is also the first release for Marley as an independent artist through Ghetto Youths International, which he runs with brothers Stephen and Julian. The song is inspired by the African diaspora and the community of Palenque, which was the first free African-based community for Black people in the Western Hemisphere. For 2024, Marley is set to release more singles, all representing different styles and moods while displaying his versatility. Fans will, however, have to wait until the end of this year into 2025 for an album from the Grammy-winning artist. Michael Campbell's art collection finds new home. 39 curated pieces of late businessman, philanthropist, and art collector were on Thursday officially handed over to the Faculty of Medical Sciences Teaching and Research Complex at the University of the West Indies, Mona campus. Former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, who negotiated for and obtained the private art collection, referred to the tedious process in having the collection housed at the university.
It was a very delicate exercise, and I had to use all the powers of persuasion to suggest that there was only one place in Jamaica, other than the National Gallery, that was suitable to receive this collection, and it was the University of the West Indies.
While cultural heritage specialist Margaret Record Bernal went on to say it took a team to create the pieces.
I work with a team here because I've had the privilege of managing that collection over the last year, and I know those works like old friends.
Campus Registrar Dr. Donovan Stanbury explained to E-Prime the extensive housing required.
Well, as you know, we have just gone over the hurdle in terms of receiving the collection in a formal way. We would now have to work to ensure that they are appropriately placed over the campus until we have a dedicated space to hang all of them in a sort of a museum.
Minister of Education Favour Williams spoke on Campbell's immense contribution to the arts.
He was actively involved in promoting Jamaican art and culture. During his lifetime, has supported numerous artists, both financially and through mentorship, and contributed to the preservation and promotion of Jamaica's artistic heritage.
Michael Campbell's entire collection sees 261 done by 67 Jamaican artists, which will be housed at the university. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrin. Be safe.